Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to insert SD card into GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So, I have my SD card here, my camera here, and without further ado, let's start. First, we need to open our battery hatch, which is located right here on the side of the GoPro. First, we need to unlock it, so we want to use our fingernail to move it downwards, and if it's red, then that's good. Now you can use your fingernails once again to put it down, and once it's like this, we can lift the hatch to see the battery. The SD port is here, but before we actually can do that, and before we can actually input our SD card here, first we need to remove the battery. So, we want to use the little thingy here, like the plastic thingy, I'm not sure how it's called, or if even it's have its name, and we want to use it to remove the battery. After the battery is removed, you want to take your SD card and you want to click it here. So as you can see, just like that, but I am inputting it wrong way. So as you can see, it cannot be like this, if we have to do it like this, so we can't see the pins. Now it is there. We want to click on it just like that, so let me just do this. Oh, I failed. Let me try once again. And looks like I have accidentally removed the hatch itself, but not to worry, it happens. You can always just readjust it back thanks to its nice ability to push it back. Though I will pause the recording for a moment just to fix that. Yeah, so luckily fixing that is really simple. You will notice a little hatch here. All you want to do is move it like this, and it's... oh, I failed. Let me try once again. And it's on the right spot again. Or maybe not. We want to hear a little click, which is pretty tricky to achieve. Oh, finally. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that. Anyway, after your SD card is inside, you can put your battery back. We can close the hatch. We can lock the hatch. We can turn on our camera. And we should see a little icon here that says how much time we have still left to record, which means that our SD card is inside and is working properly. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.